Hi everyone, it's Wayne. Welcome back. Got for you today from the company Aquaboon. Now, they sent me these filters to check them out, tell you what I think. And these are the 5 micron poly whatchamacallit spun fiber filter. And I use these filters for my whole house system. We get a lot of iron, a lot of rust, a lot of sand, lime. We just have well water, and that's what you get in some areas. So we've got to have these. I've tried Aquaboon filters before, and I think they're great. Never had a problem with them. But I've never tried this fine of a filter. So we're real excited about that. And it's 5 micron, and we're gonna give it a try. But I want to show you kind of an unpacking thing here, and we'll get it in the system and make another video. But like I said, I've got experience with Aquaboon, and I have no doubts. You can buy with confidence. Thanks. Bye now.